Hi, this is Pete Alani with Elite Harness Racing again. I just want to give a quick demonstration of straightening wheels, how we can straighten a wheel if it happens to get bent. As you can see, this is serial number 526. I just want to give this a quick spin to show you how warped this wheel is. This wheel was involved in a small accident. As you can see by the indicator, it is fairly warped. I've had them a lot worse than this and been able to straighten them. That might give you a little better view. Okay, we're going to straighten this wheel and we'll be right back with part 2. Okay, we're back again with the finished wheel, serial number 526. Second part. I'm going to give it a spin and let you see the end results. Like new again, if you ask me. Hi, it's Pete Alani with Elite Harness Racing. I just wanted to give a quick demonstration of how our velcroless wheel disc works. Basically, it's like the old disc, but better, much more slimline. As you can see, basically you just take a key or any sharp object, place it under the disc, pop it backwards, and reach in there and air your tire up. Make sure your tire pressure's right. When you're all done, you just close it up. This is also very good for washing your disc. Wash them, let them dry, and pop them back closed. Thanks for watching.